And Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Jummah, chapter number 62, verse number 5, the parable of those who were given the obligations of the Mosaic law, talking about the Jews, but they did not fulfill their obligations, is the example of a donkey, which carries tons of books, but they understand it not. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He chose the Jews and He delivered the message to them. But they did not do the duty. They did not follow the instruction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, they are like donkeys. And Allah says, if you do not do your job, if you do not follow the instruction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah says in Surah Muhammad, chapter number 47, verse number 38, Allah says, يَسْتَبْدِلْ قَوْمًا غَيْرَكُمْ ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالُكُمْ. And if you do not do your job, Allah will substitute in your place another people, ثُمَّ لَا يَكُنْ أَمْثَالُكُمْ, and they will not be like you.